I'm Milford's Mayor Ben Blake. I am joined by our Health Director Deepa Joseph. Deepa is going to provide us an update regarding the city's response to COVID-19. But what Deepa will tell you, and all health experts will tell you, is that the most effective tool that we have to neutralizing COVID-19 and stopping the spread of the coronavirus is social distancing. It doesn't come naturally for most of us. We are all wired to come together and to interact and to socialize. But as of right now, we have to stay apart. We must stay apart. The governor's most recent executive order restricts social gatherings and recreational gatherings to no more than 5 people. And here locally, we're asking everyone to please stay at home. Please stay at home, please stay safe. We have done locally this by closing our playgrounds, we've closed our basketball courts, we've closed our recreational facilities that do not allow social distancing. At the same time, we are keeping open our bike paths, our walking trails, our walkways, because we want people to get out and exercise. Exercise is so important for our health. It boosts our immune system. But while you are exercising, while you are out there walking and running and jogging, please make sure that you stay a social distance away from other people. It is going to take our entire community working together to stay apart, to keep everybody healthy, to keep everybody safe.
Hi everyone, I'm Deepa Joseph, the Health Director, and I wanted to tell you a little bit today about what the 6 feet apart is really about. So we know that generally when someone coughs or sneezes, the safest distance to be away from that person to avoid being exposed is to be at least 6 feet away. So that's where that sort of magic number comes from, and that's why we want all of you to work hard at making sure that you're staying at least 6 feet away from others. So just some tips for those of you. We know that everyone needs to go out and get food from the grocery store or maybe get your prescription medications. So some tips to do that safely. Make sure that when you come home from the grocery store that you're washing your hands right away, that you are making sure that the bags that you bag your grocery items in, that if you put them on a surface or like a countertop, that you make sure you wipe down those countertops and clean them and disinfect them once you've unbagged your groceries, and just make sure that any surface that you're touching, that you're able to just clean it off and disinfect it and wash those hands for 20 seconds under warm water with soap to make sure that you're as safe as possible. So make sure you're staying home, and even when you're out there exercising, taking walks, if you're taking walks with your family members, try to even maintain that distance. And there are really great ways to still sort of stay in touch with your neighbors, but just make sure you're 6 feet apart when you're checking in on everyone.
Stay healthy, Milford.